Where can I get a lot of keywords? What keywords should I use, right? So you said the terminologies with respect to what you're doing, maybe your field of interest, you get keywords from those areas of focus.
Yeah, definitely. That's the place where you will get the main keywords, and then you will get the keywords from the job or job ad. That might be from nowadays HR don't put money on newspapers. Now HR use LinkedIn because LinkedIn give you focused ad. What can I say? Ad reach, focused ad reach. That if you have, if I will write, I want person who with 1 year experience, that he will look for the person who actually has a 1 year experience in its LinkedIn profile.
Cool, you're talking about LinkedIn recruiters, right?
Yes.
So there's a system over there where you search directly with respect to keywords that I want a 2 years experience, 5 years experience, managerial position,
Right.
entry level position, and the job search application over there directly tracks those people out.
Definitely.
Cool.